Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to draw a dotted curve line in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer and click the pen tool. Right click on your mouse, select the pen tool and use use shape. Do not use fill color or use fill color as you wish. Change the stroke color. Example, use black color. Okay. Then use dotted line, dash line, solid line. Example, I already use dotted line. Press enter. Increase the dotted line size. Again press enter. Okay. Then hold Alt, use curve line or right click freeform pen tool. Then draw. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.